Hi students, let's look at this question which is on discrete random variable. So in a game, 3 green balls and 7 yellow balls are placed in the bag, and a player draws 4 balls at random without replacement. The number of green balls that she draws is denoted by G. Find the probability distribution of G and show that G more than 2 is 1/3. Okay, great. So a player draws 4 balls without replacement. Now you can essentially just use choose. Okay, if it's without replacement, you can just use choose. This is what we do. We essentially just put G, the number of green balls. We can pick 0 green ball, 1, 2, 8. Oh, there are 3 green balls, so it's kept at 3, thankfully. So 3 green balls. This is G, then this is essentially PG equals to G. Okay, so for essentially PG equals to 0, no green balls chosen. What we want is 7 yellow balls. Choose 4. 7 choose 4. Over the total number of balls, which is 10 balls, 7 plus 3, right? 10 choose 4. Okay, that's it. So PG equals to 1 will be, we have got 3 green balls, we choose 1. Then 7 choose 3 over 10 choose 4. Okay, so this only happens without replacement. Then same thing, we have PG equals to 2. It's actually 3 choose 2 times 7 choose 1 over 10 choose 4. 7 choose 2. PG equals to 3. We just need all the yellow balls being chosen, and 7 choose 1 over 10 choose 4. Okay, then what we do is just key in calculator. So this will be 1 over 6. This is half. Okay, then this is half. This is 1 over 6. PG equals to 2. There will be 3 over 10. And this will be 1 over 30. Just make sure the sum of the entire thing is just equals to 1. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, so the sum of this entire probability is 1. So likely my probability distribution is okay. So PG bigger than 2. This is the probability distribution of G. So PG at least 2. We can just take PG equals to 2 plus PG equals to 3. Okay, so just 3 over 10 plus 1 over 30. There will be 1/3. Okay, this is 1/3. Great. So let's look at the next one. We are told to find the expectation of G and find the variance. I think this is pretty okay. Expectation of G, we are just gonna is a weighted average. Just weighted. Basically, for 0 to happen, there's a 1/6 chance. For 1 to happen, there's a half chance. So just multiply them. Then this is for 2 to happen, the 3 over 10, and for 3 to happen is 1 in 30 chance. So the expectation of G would be 6 in 5. Shown. Okay. Then we want to find the variance. So variance will be, we just need expectation of G square. Then just sum all of them. 0 square times 1 over 6 plus 1 square times half. Just square all the discrete values. 3 square times 1 over 30. Okay. There will be 2. So hence, variance of G will just be expectation of G square minus of expectation of EG square. So this will be 2 minus of 1 over 6 over 5 square. It gives us 14 over 25. Okay, that's the variance of G. So let's look at the subsequent part. Alice scores 5 points. Okay, for each green ball that she draws, and Bob scores 2 points for each yellow ball that she draws. Okay, Alice's score is denoted by A, and Bob's score is denoted by B. Without finding the probability distribution of number of yellow balls, find the expectation and variance of A minus B. Okay, great. So let's try to understand this. A is essentially Alice's score. So Alice's score will be 5. Every one green ball is just multiplied by 5. So the number of green ball is G, so it's 5G, right? So Alice's score will be 5G. Then what we need to understand is Bob score 2 points for each yellow ball that he draws. Okay, so Alice's score is B for 2 points. So this is 5. So what is a yellow ball? Yellow ball will be every time you draw 4 balls out, right? You just have to understand that for every draw, right? Because we are refrained from finding the probability distribution of a number of yellow balls. So for each draw, you have to understand the number of green balls. Green plus number of yellow will be equals to 4 balls. Okay, that's it. At every draw you draw, the number of green balls, you draw 4 balls in your hand. Number of green balls plus number of yellow balls would definitely be 4 balls. Okay, in total. So now green balls plus number of yellow balls is equals to 4. Okay, this is important. This is usually the one that students struggle with. So just understand this part here. So that's the case. So what we need to do is understand that for Bob's score B, we will have twice of yellow. Okay, because it's 2 points of each yellow ball draw. So basically this is 2 4 minus G. So this is usually the one which is heading, right, for students. So that's that. Find the expectation of variance of A minus B. So first one, we want to find A minus B if Alice and Bob play 2 separate independent games to decide their score. So meaning you so draw one, you draw once. Okay, Alice draw once, then Bob draw once. So essentially this is what's going on. A minus B. This is where we need to be careful. So EA minus EB. So the first one will be expectation of 5G. Then you just put this as G1. Then this will be EB will just be the 2 there. So maybe this is 8 minus 2G. So this is 8 minus 2G2. Okay. Because they are separate games, so G1 and G2, they are 2 independent observation. That is the important part. Maybe I write A minus B here. Alice and Bob play 2 independent games of G1 and G2. Okay, so that's that. We will get this over here, which is 5G1 minus 8 plus 2G2. So I think I'll just use this for the variance and the expectation. So the expectation A minus B will be the expectation of 5G1 minus 8 plus 2G2. So this case will be 5EG1 minus expectation of 8 minus 2EG. So the G1 and G2 have the same expectation, have the same value. So I'm going to show this will be 7 expectation of G minus 8. Okay, so I'm going to just put expectation of G from previous part, which is actually 6 over 5. Okay, where 6 over 5 minus 8. So there you go. This will be 2 over 5. Okay, then the variance, just be mindful the variance of 5G1 minus 8 plus 2G2. We need to square the coefficient in front. So 5 square variance G1. Variance of a constant will just be 0. So this is 2 square variance G2. Okay. So this is 25 variance G. This is variance G, which is what? 25 variance G, which is 14 over 25. Plus 0. Plus 4 times 14 over 25. Okay, so this is important. So this will give us 406 over 25. Okay, so that's that. So let's look at part B. So the difference between A and B is stark. You have to take note. If Alice and Bob decide their score in the same game, so it means you draw the game. You draw 4 balls, right? So it's 5G, still 5G minus 8 minus 2G. But this case here, the only difference here is that which is 5. So this is 5G1 minus 8 minus 2G2, right? So this is 5G1 minus 2G1. Okay, because this is the same game. So this is G1 and G1. So meaning to say this is 5G1 minus 8 plus 2G2. G1. 7G1 minus 8. Okay, so the expectation will be the same. Expectation of A minus B is still 7. So E 7G1 minus 8, which is 7 EG1 minus expectation of 8. So EG1 would be 6 over 5. It will be 2 over 5. Okay, the variance will be variance A minus B would then be variance of 7G1 minus 8. That will be 7 square variance G1 minus 0. Okay, so there you go. 49 multiplied by 14 over 25. That will give us 686 over 25. Okay, so that's how you do this questionnaire proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please do let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.